Hey everyone, today we are going to make this super cute crochet phone jam, and I'll also show you how to make this adorable little bow step by step. For this project I am using DK weight mercerized cotton yarn and 2.5 crochet hook. So let's start. First make a slip knot and then chain 60. You can adjust the number of chains depending on how long you want the wrist strap to be. And also try to keep the chains nice and even. So I did 60 chains. Once you finish chaining, skip the first 3 chains and into the 4th chain from the hook, make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain and yarn over, pull up a loop and yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Again pull through 2. This will be our first double crochet. Now continue making one double crochet into each chain all the way across. In total I am making 57 double crochet. To do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's our double crochet. Now keep repeating the same pattern till the end of the chain. While you crochet, let me know in the comments what tutorial you would like to see next. I'm now reaching the end of the row and yes, it's done. Now leave a long yarn tail this and fasten off. We'll use this yarn tail to join both the ends together. I accidentally forgot to turn on the camera while joining the ends, but I'll show you how it should look. Join both the ends together like this and make a loop in the middle like this, and then weave in the yarn tail securely. Once everything is secured, you will get a neat loop like this. Now let's make the bow. Start with the magic ring and chain 4. This is chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Into the magic ring, make 3 treble crochet. For a treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop and then pull through 2 loops 3 times. So continue till you complete 3 treble crochet. Then chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Now chain 8 and into the 4th chain from the hook, make 1 double crochet. Into the 4th chain from the hook, make 1 double crochet and then make 2 half double crochet followed by 2 single crochet. One more half double crochet and 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Now do a slip stitch into the magic ring. This is half of the bow. Repeat the same pattern once again. Chain 8, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, then 2 half double crochet and 2 single crochet. Then slip stitch into the magic ring. By the way, if you are enjoying this tutorial and want to support my channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps my small crochet channel grow and motivates me to create more tutorials for you. Now we will make the final part of the bow, chain 4 and make 3 treble crochet into the magic ring again, and then chain 4 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Now fasten off leaving a long tail and close the magic ring tightly. Using the long yarn tail, wrap around the center of the bow neatly like this. This gives the bow a nice finished shape. Secure it with a knot and then fasten off the remaining yarn. And our tiny bow is ready. Now we are going to attach the bow onto the phone jam. Apply a little glue onto the back of the bow and onto the jam. Then gently press and stick it in place. And that's it. Our cute crochet phone jam is complete. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting.